Yeah, here we have a ROLLIN SAW HS1418 horizontal swivel base band saw. So this base does swivel, as you can see. There's a 60-degree. It is used. It's got a few little metal shavings on it, but nothing major. Looks like it was maybe used once or twice. It doesn't currently have a blade on it. It does power up, and we're going to show you that right now. I'm going to loosen this up here and open the lid. You can see there's a few little plastic and metal shavings in there. We'll go around to the start-stop switch. We'll hit start. This is a 3-speed belt drive. Leasing motor, 230 volt, 3-phase. This also has a hydraulic down feed system and a coolant pump. We check the coolant pump. The coolant pump operates. The reservoir looks relatively clean. Like I said, it has little minimal signs of use. Then we'll hit the hydraulic down feed control here. So this is your feed. You can set it go faster or slower, or you can just hit it on the down. Now for some reason when the head goes all the way down, it doesn't shut the machine off. So I don't know if there was an extra switch that was supposed to be on here. There were some wires cut from this box here. In any case, we'll hit the stop button. We check the vise here. The vise operates very nicely. This is part of your tensioning system right here. It also comes with a few guards here. I'm not sure where they're supposed to go because there's no parts. There's a parts list but not a parts diagram, and it doesn't have a user manual either. And there may be some parts that are missing on here. We're not quite sure. You have to get all the information from ROLLIN SAW. Other than that, it has a few paint scratches down here. Other than that, the machine is in really good condition. This is how you adjust the tension on the belt when you change the speeds. It's a Nissan gearbox. And here's your control panel. And also what had happened here, we found that this larger size fuse here, well, it's larger diameter. This was blown. So we put a smaller diameter. This is a 4 amp. This one's a 3 amp. It still operates the machine fine. And all the controls appear to operate very nicely. There's your reset switch. And we thank you for looking at our product.